Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be drawing Mitsuri Kanroji from Demonslayer. First, lightly sketch the character using any mechanical pencil. Next, we're going to get into outlining all of that using a fine point tip Sharpie. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm taking my time with this outlining process so that the lines don't look out of place. Make sure to take your time with the eyes and other small details on the face. These can get really tricky. Alright, now it's time to erase any stray pencil lines that might come up even after you finished outlining everything. This is where the fun happens, coloring everything in. We're going to start with her hair first. Another thing to take note of is trying to get the colors as exact to the reference as you possibly can. It will give more authenticity to your character. To really jazz things up, you can go in and make eye reflections using a white tip pencil. Next, you're going to fill in the skin tones for your character. Now I'm coloring in the clothes. You can do this in any order you want, whatever works best for you. When you start to feel like you're almost finished with the piece, it's really good to go back and double check everything. Now you can do a background. And now it's all done. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you with some tips and tricks. And if you want to see more like this, please consider subscribing.